This is where every tire begins.
Machines cut the rubber.
Each cut is precise.
Pieces move to mixing.
Rubber is mixed with heat.
It becomes soft and flexible. Texture changes completely.
It is flattened into sheets. Now ready for next step. This adds strength. Steel wires are added. Layers are combined.
Everything is pressed.
A strong strip is formed.
It is cut to size.
Shape starts forming.
A drum builds the tire.
Layers wrap smoothly. Tire shape appears. Layers are compressed and
Everything is aligned.
tread is prepared and it is applied carefully. Pressed into surface. Pattern becomes visible. Design is complete.
Edges are sealed. Edges are sealed.